Good morning, I'm Sivakumar Raja, soft skills trainer, voice and accent trainer, public speaker and a motivational speaker. And today my topic is non-verbal communication and body language. See, non-verbal communication is communication being done without using words. And body language is a branch of non-verbal communication in which communication is being done through body gestures, posture, facial expressions, eye contact and touch, and also usage of space. See, when you communicate with others, you need to have proper eye contact with them and always wear a smile. Okay, whenever you communicate, see, whenever you are communicating with others, always wear a smile. And see, you need to have proper eye contact with them. See, but don't stare at anyone. You need to have proper eye contact, but never stare at anyone. And always have an open posture. Keep your spine straight. Okay, you need to sit straight, or when you're standing, when you're speaking, you need to stand straight. Okay, so keep an open posture. If you keep a closed posture, it only means that you are not ready to receive the information or you are not ready to convey the information. So always keep an open posture and always stand on both the legs. If you keep shifting your legs from one leg to the other, if you keep shifting your weight from one leg to the other, so it's a bad posture. So always stand on both the legs. And when you go for a handshake, go for a firm handshake. But no, don't press the other person's hand. Don't make him feel painful. Okay. And let me tell you regarding few emblems which are nothing but non-verbal cues. When you show thumbs up, it only means good job. And when you want to say someone crazy, you'll be showing this way, he's crazy. And whenever you want to offer a chance to others to speak, we'll be showing your hands this way. Would you like to say anything? Would you like to speak? And when you want to tell someone not to interrupt, you will be showing your hand this way. Don't interrupt me. And never keep your hands on the hips. It only means that you are making an attempt to dominate others. And don't keep fiddling with the finger earrings and don't keep fiddling with the pens. Okay, don't do that. And even with the hair, you should not do that. And recent studies says that 93% of the communication is being done through non-verbal communication and body language. And only 7% of communication is being done through verbally. So try to understand the importance of non-verbal communication and body language. So I'm signing out till we meet again. Bye for now. Have a nice day.